Plaid and TrueLayer are both bank connection platforms that help businesses verify customer bank accounts quickly and securely. They are often used in financial apps, subscription services, and online marketplaces to reduce failed payments and confirm that the person entering an account actually owns it. But when you focus specifically on North America, the strengths of each platform become clearer. Plaid has a strong foundation in the United States and Canada. Most major banks and many smaller credit unions are covered, which means customers can usually find their bank without searching or switching screens. The connection process feels familiar. A customer selects their bank, signs in once, and behind the scenes, Plaid securely shares the account data needed for verification. For businesses, this helps lower customer drop-off during onboarding and reduces payment failures. Plaid also offers features such as verifying account ownership, checking available balance, and pulling routing and account numbers when the business needs to set up payments. The experience aims to be smooth and predictable. The trade-off is that some banks occasionally update their security methods, which can cause short connection delays. But generally, the coverage is dependable across the region. TrueLayer takes a slightly different approach. It was built around open banking systems most widely adopted in the United Kingdom and across parts of Europe. Instead of relying on stored login details, TrueLayer focuses on direct permission, where customers clearly approve what data is shared. This approach feels transparent and aligns with the direction financial data access is heading globally. However, in North America, open banking standards are less uniform. Because of that, TrueLayer's bank coverage in the United States and Canada is still expanding and may not match Plaid's reach at this time. For some businesses, this can lead to moments where a customer searches for their bank and cannot find it. That gap can disrupt onboarding, especially if the product depends on quick verification. In short, choose Plaid if your user base is primarily in the United States or Canada, and you want consistent verification across many banks. Choose TrueLayer if your business also serves users in open banking regions and you value a permission-first experience. Both platforms are capable and secure, but the right one depends on where your customers are and how you want them to move through the verification process.